Good morning, everyone. Lynn Ray here. August 14, 2021. Today is the day. Today is the day we have our 7-mile Elephant Rock Trail run. Super excited for it. A little anxious. Last night I got 4 hours and 9 minutes of sleep, according to my Garmin watch. 1 hour of deep sleep, 3 hours sporadically waking up on and off of light sleep or REM sleep. Now, I'm actually feeling pretty good. Like, my body feels good. I don't feel tired. I should say my body doesn't feel tired, but I do feel a little sleepy. I've been up since 2:30 right now. It is 5:24 in the morning. I've been up for 3 hours now. Ain't that something? So I'm not sure why. Obviously anxiety. But I don't know why, because it's only 7 miles. It's not far at all. I've actually run this route before. I'm not sure what's going on, but super excited for the race. And I know in my last video I talked about, I didn't really talk about it, but I mentioned like taking 8 minutes or something like that off of the run. That is not my plan right now. Right now, the plan is just to not win. Holy smokes. See, I want to win. I have to try and fight that ego. So my plan right now is just to kind of keep it nice and smooth, and just perform well, right? So last time I ran this race, 1 hour, 21 minutes, which is definitely not enough to win. I'm sure of that. But so today, I'm thinking, around the same time, maybe 1:15. So about 4 to 5 minutes off of it, 1:16. Nothing too crazy, nothing too exciting. Right now, I think I need to kind of check my ego and focus more on building the miles, not necessarily how fast I'm going, right? In order to increase the longevity, I have to stay injury free, and going balls out 100 miles an hour every single time is not going to increase that longevity. Just going to make me more at risk of getting injured, and don't want that. But I am super excited for the run. Let's keep that ego in check. Hopefully when we get out there, we stick to the plan and not try to freaking turn into Scott Jurek or anything like that. All right, we'll talk to you in a bit. All right, just got checked in. Got my bib number, 475. Parked clear down there by that guy with I don't know if you can see that flashing light. But we got about a 3/4 of a mile walk, it seems, to the start point. So a nice little warm up, get these finely tuned engines running, get the knees warm, get a little sweat. It's an uphill walk. 1.38 miles into the run. It's going well. About a 13-minute mile. Trying to maintain that. I don't know what my pace is, or overall pace, but right now running a 9:20 mile downhill. Obviously feeling good, a lot faster than I was supposed to go, but feeling kind of good right now. Just hit the 5-mile mark, 9-minute 25-second pace. Overall 59 minutes and 51 seconds. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning. Morning.
Good morning. Hey.
Good job. Couple more.
Thank you. Thank you for pushing me.
Following you all the way down.
Okay, 475 and 468. Congratulations, guys.
Fastest 10K, 1 hour, 8 minutes. 20, 8:17, 5K, 8:13 mile. I don't know, 114 total. Nice. All right, just finished the run. Well, probably 20 minutes ago. Time was 1 hour, 14 minutes. And it felt really good. It felt really good. I actually got the time I thought I was gonna get. And yeah, we did good. I'm okay with that run. I had a lady behind me, number 468. She was running me down, man. She put the pressure on me, and pride and ego took over. I couldn't let her pass me, and it came down to the last maybe 100 meters, and I just hauled, and she came in literally, I don't know, a second, half a second behind me, but she was fast. She's probably in her 50s, but she's fast, boy. All right, I didn't get to do a proper sign out, but I'm at home now, just finished taking a shower, took a 20-minute ice bath as well. Feeling pretty good right now. The race was actually super fun. I do plan on doing it again next year, maybe the 13.1 or maybe even the marathon. So the 26 point, I believe it's actually 26.8. So it's actually a little bit more than a marathon. So I do plan on doing one of those races next year. Did I say next week? I do plan on doing one of those races next year, and I'm super excited for it. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna relax for a little bit. Then I'm gonna try and plan out my next run, so the next race. At the moment, I was thinking that I need to revise my training, not the actual schedule, but how I train. So I believe I will keep the same mileage that I already have written out, but I'm gonna change the way that I train. And I'll talk about that a little bit more maybe later on down the line, once I get it all figured out. But yeah, race was fun, 1 hour, 14 minutes. Literally exactly what I thought I could do. In hindsight, I probably could have done a little bit better. But 114 was really good. I pushed it most of the way. There were some periods where I didn't quite push it. I could have done a little bit more, but overall, I think I did well. I learned a lot. And yeah, maybe I'll talk about that in the next video too. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.